hello everyone. Welcome to the session. Myself, D. Nagaraj, PGT History from Bidar. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson Gender, Religion, Caste. So these are the three aspects of the learner. These are the three aspects of very important aspects. So one by one we will discuss. Okay, in this lesson, this is the very important aspect. In this gender, right, we are going to discuss these many points. First one is that meaning of gender. Second one, gender division. Third one, sexual division of labor. And fourth one, public and private gender division. And fifth one, feminist movement. And sixth one, women participation in public life. And seventh one, patriarchal society. And eighth one, the diameters of gender division or gender equalities. Ninth one, family laws. 10th one, measure taken to promote the proportion of women in Indian Parliament. And last point is there how to empower a woman. So these are the things, these are the points we are going to discuss in this end. So next, coming to the meaning of gender. So what is gender? What is the meaning of gender? What do you understand by gender? So the meaning of gender, so it is one of the social differences between man and woman, or the social differences between boys and girls. So this is the second aspect under this gender division. So gender division means what? What do you understand by gender division? So gender division, it is a form of hierarchical social division everywhere. So we can see this type of gender division or division of gender. So everywhere, not only in India, not only America, not only Britain, not only Pakistan, everywhere we can see this type of divisions. So one more thing is that what is hierarchical social division? Hierarchical social division, it means that it is one of the grading organization, it is one of the basically government, and also it is also called as a ladder-like formation in that all caste groups were placed. So this is I told already. So grading organization. Grading organization, it means what? Grading of authorities from a higher level to lower level. So who is coming high on the top of the level and who is coming bottom of the level. So based on authority, based on work, it has distributed or devised. So a social hierarchy or hierarchical division, it is one of the grading of authority. Grading of authority from higher level to lower level, or basically government, or one more definition also we can give, a ladder-like formation in that all the caste groups are placed. So it is a natural and unchangeable. So it comes from natural and it is unchangeable. We cannot change it. And so it is not based on biology, it is based on our social expectations. So this is the system of social hierarchy which was existing in our country. So this is based on division of labor. It means that, so based on work we are given positions. So we are considering the Brahmanas work, it is very high. Based on work, Brahmanas, they are considered as a high. Work of Brahmins, it is considered as a high. And work of Shudras, it is considered as a low. So this is the third point, sexual division of labor. So what is this? Sexual division of labor, it means what? What do you understand by sexual division of labor? So the meaning of sexual division of labor, the different working condition of boys and girls, or the different working condition of women and men. So for example, in a system, so it is one of the system. In a system, women do all works inside the house and men do all the works outside the house. So it is reflected in social sexual division of labor. So this is the fourth point, public and private gender division. So what is this? In this boys and girls are brought in a family, it is believed that the main responsibility of the woman is inside the house or domestic work, and the main duty of men, that is outside the work, or earn money for family. And this is also reflected in sexual division of labor. So these are the domestic works done by the woman in a family. So this is washing of clothes, and bringing water for family, and take care of the children, this is cooking, take care of their elders, and washing vessels. So these are all considered as a domestic work. These many works done by the woman. So domestic work of a woman is not valued. We are not considering and we are not recognizing domestic work of the woman. So it is not considerable. We are not considering. We are not recognizing. We are not giving any value to the woman work which are done by the woman in the family. But woman population, it is 50% in our total population. But the role of women in public and private life or political life, it is very minimum. And because of that only, women formed many organizations. So in that, the famous one is the feminist movement. So coming to next point, feminist movement. So before going to feminist movement, so we will know the meaning of feminist, or who is called as a feminist. Who is called as a feminist? Feminist, it means that, or feminist, it means that those who believe in the social, political and economic rights of the both men and women, they were called as a feminist. Feminist means or who is called as a feminist? So those who believe in political, social and economic rights of the both men and women, they were called as a feminist. So why this feminist movement? What are the objectives of a feminist movement? What are the demands of feminist movement? There are three demands or three objectives are there. One is demanding voting rights for women. Next one, enhancing political and legal status of the woman. And next one, so enhancing legal status. And third one is the equality in personal and family life. So this is the 6th point under gender. Women participation in public life. So at present, women participation in public life, it is more in different fields. So for example, women becoming as a scientist, doctors, engineers, etc. So the women participation of public is more in Scandinavian countries. So Scandinavian countries, mainly Sweden, Norway, Finland, Denmark. So in these countries, the women participation is more comparatively other countries. So okay, this is the 7th point in this gender head. Patriarchal society. Patriarchal society is what? What is meant by patriarchal society? Father is the head of the family in society or male-dominated society. So that type of society will be known as a patriarchal society. So because of this patriarchal society, the participation of women in public life is very low in many countries. So this is the 8th point under gender. So how women are discriminated, or which are the diameters of gender inequalities. Diameters of gender inequalities, or how women are discriminated in society. So in this way, so these are the inequalities we can see in gender, or these are the discrimination, ways to discrimination of women we can see. First one, low literacy rate. Second one, higher studies. Third one, highly paid women job holders are very less. And fourth one, the Equal Wage Act. Fifth one, preference to have sons. And 6th one, proportion of women in legislature. And 7th one, declining sex ratio. And 8th one, harassment, exploitation, violence against the women are more in urban areas. And last one, there is no safe place for women. So in this way, these are the 9 inequalities, or these are the inequalities we can see in the gender division, or these are the ways to discriminate the woman, or these are the, in this way, women are discriminated. This is first one, low literacy rate. So we can see literacy rate of women, it is very less among comparatively men. In our country, women literacy rate only 54% against to 76% of men. And our India's total literacy rate 65.38% in 2001, or as per the census of 2001, the country's literacy rate 65.38%, and women literacy rate 54.54%. So this is very less comparatively men. Men literacy rate, that is 76%. So look at this chart. In this chart, how the literacy rate increased from 1951 to 2011. For example, in the year 1951, the men literacy rate, that is only 20%, and women literacy rate, that is only 10%. So it is increased in the year 2011. So you can see 2011 how it has been increased. In the year 2011, the men literacy rate it crossed above 80%, and women literacy rate still lagging, that is 65%. So second one, higher studies. So in that, the smaller number of girl students, smaller number of girl children, they are going for higher studies. And one more thing is that a highly paid women job is also very less. Why? Because what is the reason for that? What is the reason behind it? So this is the reason. Parents who want to pay more money on sons rather than the daughters, or parents are giving more importance to sons rather than the daughters. Because of that only, the girl children, they are not opting higher studies, and as well as the high paid jobs. So look at this chart. This chart explains about how the women enrollment is lagging behind comparatively men. For example, Bachelor of Science. Bachelor of Science, the enrollment of men 52%, and women enrollment 48%. B.Tech enrollment of men 73.9%, and women enrollment 26.1%. And Bachelor of Engineering, the men enrollment 71.5%, and women enrollment 28.5%. Master of Science, the men enrollment 40.6%, and women enrollment 59.4%, little bit high is there. In post graduation in agriculture and allied courses, the men enrollment 67.7%, and women enrollment 32.3%. By seeing all these statistics, we can say that the higher studies, the girls going higher studies from girls side, it is very less comparatively men or boys. Okay, next point, there is Equal Wage Act. According to this act, we have to give equal wages for equal work, both men and women, but women are paid less than men. So women paid less than men. Okay, fourth point, preference to have sons. Why? Because before giving birth to female child, they are going for operations. Okay, next point, proportion of women in legislature. Proportion of women in legislature, it is very less. For example, in parliament, it is less than 10%, and in assemblies less than 5%, and in local bodies it is 1/3 reservation. So look at this chart. This chart explains about the women representation in parliament in Asia. So by seeing this chart, we can easily identify how women are lagging behind. So at the top level, Philippines and Nepal is there. So in these countries, women participation in legislature it is very high, and in India, the women participation it is very low. Okay, so India or our country is lagging behind countries like Africa and Latin America. The next one is the declining sex ratio. Sex ratio means what? So what is the sex ratio? Sex ratio it means that the number of female per 1000 males. So our India's sex ratio 933 female for every 1000 males. So as per 2001 census. Okay, look at this chart. So it explains about how the sex ratio it has been declined from 1901 to 2001. For example, in the year 1901, our country's sex ratio it was 972 females per 1000 males. So it was come down up to 933 females per 1000 males in the year 2001. Okay, so nowadays harassment, exploitation, violence against women it is more in urban areas. Okay, by seeing all these things, we can say that there is no safe place for women. Okay, next aspect, family laws. So family laws means what? So family laws it means that laws related to family. Family laws it means that laws related to family. So they apply differently to different religion. It means that they are different. They are differ from one religion to another religion. So they are dealing with family related matters or family related issues. For example, first one is their inheritance, and second one is their marriages, and third one is their divorce. So these are the family related matters. These are coming under family laws. So these are the matters. So these are the family laws. They are dealing. These are the family related issues. So these are look at this picture. So these are the family related matters. So this shows family inheritance. The second one this shows marriages, and the last one is the divorce. So these are the matters of them. These are the matters, family related matters. So these are the matters comes under the family laws. Okay, coming to next aspect. This is a very important aspect we are going to discuss. So this is measures taken to promote the proportion of women in Indian legislature. So what are the measures have been taken to increase the proportionate of women in Indian legislature? So these are the measures have been taken. So first one is the reservation of seats for women in legislature. This is one. And second one, legal binding to have a fair proportion. This is second one. And third one is the rising literacy rate. So these are the measures have been taken to increase the proportionate of women in Indian legislature. Okay, next aspect is what are the measures taken to empower women, or how to empower women in our country. So these are the measures have been taken. First one is that seats are reserved for women in legislature. First point, seats are reserved for women in legislature. And second one, girls' education it has been promoted. Girls' education it is promoted, or promotion of girls' education. And third one is there are opportunities to work in various fields. Fair opportunities to work in various fields. And fourth one, Women Welfare Commission, it has been set up. So fourth point, Women Welfare Commission has been set up. And fifth one is the Dowry Act. Dowry Act, it passed in the year 1961 to ban it. And sixth one, sex discrimination, it has been made illegal. And seventh one is Stree Shakti and Mahila Mandalis. Stree Shakti and Mahila Mandalis are organized. And last one, special police stations also set up. So by taking all these measures, so we can empower the women. Okay, look at this picture. The seats are reserved for women in our legislature, in this legislature. So the seats are reserved for women. Next one. So girls' education promoted. So we are promoting girls' education. Next one. So there is fair opportunities to work for women in various fields are provided. So nowadays women becoming as a doctor, manager, lawyers, teachers, engineers, pilot, politicians, etc., etc., etc. So this type of fair opportunities we are provided to women. The next one. The third one, Women Welfare Commission has been also set up by the government. What for this? To protect the welfare of the women. Next one. So Dowry Act, it passed by the government in the year 1961. So what for this? To ban on dowry. Next one. So sex discrimination, it is made illegal. Next one. So Stree Shakti and Mahila Mandalis also organized for what purpose? So by this forming Stree Shakti and Mahila Mandalis, women, they become very strong, wealthy, prosperous. Next one. And next, special police stations also set up by the government in different parts of the country. So what for this? To protect the welfare of the women, or to provide the justice, for women. The various police stations, the special police stations also set up by our government. So these are the steps have been taken by our government to empower women in our country. So by this we will conclude this lesson. Thank you very much. Thank you.